guys, and welcome back to Beauty by Colette. Today we are not doing a tutorial, but we are going to be doing an unboxing, an Ulta unboxing. We're going to open this, and I bought a bunch of products on, I think it was like April 15th, or maybe a little earlier. But we are going to open this, and this unboxing will lead me into my next video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's get the show on the road. Alright. And this is the first time I'm opening it, even though I wanted to open it so bad. So I'm opening it with you guys. This is my first impression. And I'll just go item by item. So, and my next video will be a $50 full face makeup challenge. So everything in here will complete, hopefully, a full face of makeup. The first thing that I see in here is this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. And I've heard very good things about this. And then the next thing is Voluminous Original L'Oreal Paris Mascara in Black is Black. There's my mascara. And then there's a bunch of things in this little bag. It's all bubble wrapped really nicely. And then this is Ellie Girl Matte Flat Velvet Lipstick in the color, I think Snuggle, I believe. I don't see the name on here. Oh yeah, there it is. And I'll have close-ups of all of this. And then this is an Essence Eyebrow Pencil in deep brown, because I have really dark eyebrows. And I have very, very minimal makeup on right now because I'm gonna apply this right after this video. And then I got this Essence times Ulta Beauty Girls Unite High Shine Lip Gloss in the color Not Your Average. And it's very pretty, like coppery, shimmery rose color. And then this is another Essence product, and it's the I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. Next little baggie here. Oh no! I was afraid this was gonna happen. Nope. This was supposed to be Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, but I don't know if you can see that, but it's busted. Okay, well, I'll try to make that work. This one is not broken, and the powder is all over this thing in here. But I got this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in Dolce de Leche. So there's that. We have a couple more products in here. Hopefully nothing else is broken. Okay. Alright, and then we have this, which is Revolution Makeup Revolution London Cheek Kit. Take a breather. And this will be for a blush and highlight. And then here is the eyeshadow palette that I got. If you haven't seen my last video, I did another I Heart Revolution palette, and I think it was the Sweet and Tasty palette, which was the popcorn one, and this one is their coffee palette. So I really wanted this one, so I bought it, and it was only $10. Anyways, here's kind of what it looks like out of the box. And then, hopefully nothing's broken in here. No, everything looks great. Ooh, so pretty. that was my unboxing. So stay tuned for the makeup application, which will be in my next video, which will be coming very, very soon. So hit the notification bell right down below so that you're notified of that next video coming out. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for more of my content. And thank you for watching and have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye!